Ang dula siya na ko? Dok?
Sana.
Ang dula siya na ni?
Asa na kang ta?
Ano yun? Ako sa kita kagitlog, sir.
Native.
Oo, kana mo na.
Ako kita kagitlog.
Native siya kuya dito ah?
Ang dula siya niya.
Native? Ah.
So, ito na nga yung hinihintay natin mga kalapatids na mag-loop visit no sa atin si Sir Alan Hugardi. Andito na siya no sa loft natin today. Ayan na. At kasama niya rin si Boss Mappy saka si Sir Raymond Escardano mga kalapatids. So, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Good luck pala sa lahat ng nasasali pala sa palaro ni Sir Alan no. Yan pa rin si Boss Mappy.
Boss!
Pinakamalakas sa sa barangay namin.
Wow.
Nakawalakas ah. Lakas.
No, I need to send pictures, not video.
Hindi ka ra-edit na lang.
This Bouchard?
What?
What bloodline?
Alam na.
Oh,
May online.
okay, good.
Yung the cock is Jubilee line. Cock. And the hen is my unknown line. Dumagiti finisher to nung first race kaya Sir Raymond noong September 2023. First breeding ko yon, first clutch ko. Race ni Sir Raymond.
Nice.
Ngayon sana siya.
Muna yan nagdula, sir.
Wala ba ni kaon? Parang daw na.
Okay, let's get our picture taken over here.
Sila. Become closer. No, you are the one in
You're
the
the president too.
Open na lang.
I'll support you. You will be one.
Open
You
na
will
lang.
shine on this moment.
Kamong, dapat dito ka ako kuya anak. My picture. Okay.
You will shine, sir. It's your time.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. 3, go. Okay.
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 Okay, I need do you have paper and pencil?
Ball pen.
Interviewin ka niya.
Hala.
Okay, sir.
Oh, bato.
What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Julius Jimenez Api. From Bayawan City.
My name is Julius
My name is Julius Jimenez Api. Julius J. Api.
Jimenez.
J. Api.
Happy?
Normal. Jimmy.
Yes.
Jimenez.
Jimenez Happy.
I'm from Bayawan City.
Okay. I'm from Bayon City. Okay.
Question number 2.
Do you have a health program you used before breeding and racing, and do you use a vet?
Ito. Sige, pardon, Angie.
Do you have a health program you used
Gamit mo.
before
Mga
breeding
kapagamit
and
pa kani.
racing, and do you use a vet?
Before ka mag-breeding, dapat kay mga kuan ba ng
Health program.
sistema na
Oregano.
Do you treat your birds
Buga ka.
before you breed?
You
Yeah.
give vitamins before breeding, you give for deworming
No
first.
vitamins, deworming only.
Okay.
I'll try to deworm.
You put
Every time?
oregano?
Before you breed, you go for deworm.
before breeding.
Before breeding, you deworm
Ora. Deworm lang.
You don't use a veterinarian?
per breeder.
No vet.
if you don't mind, sir, in Bayawan, is there a veterinarian? Na ba veterinarian diri?
Sa pig.
Only in kuan. In pig, goat, chicken, but not in pig.
Veterinarian in public.
Yep.
Kuan. They are in public. They're not private. Like
Public.
there's no clinic for
Yeah.
private here.
We don't have private here in kuan, veterinarian.
Okay. So number 3.
I have a microscope. I can check droppings.
Whether there's a bacteria or what, a small bat. You can see
Number
number 3.
What natural products do you use?
Oregano.
Oregano, and then
You use
garlic. Yeah, garlic.
Paliton na ako nate.
And vinegar.
Nungay man.
I don't have
Paliton kay manungay man.
oregano.
Smell?
When do you start breeding? And how many youngsters do you breed each year?
So, one every time, let's say ka lang yung mga breeding dito. Wala ba kay Kwan? Let's say you will start sa month of September, you will end into December, or anytime, you can breed anytime as long as they're healthy. No, no.
Breeder guild breed. Basta makabreed sila, breeder guild sila.
Kwan sila sa
Only breeding.
Only chicken, mang inasal, and rice.
as long as they're healthy.
Okay.
As long as they're healthy.
How many young birds you breed every year?
4 to 6.
46 only? In
Young
1
birds,
year?
in 1 year? Ilan ka mag-breeding?
Yun na yun.
Uno, maragani ako ah.
6 or 7.
In 1 year, you will harvest only. You will harvest.
Ito pala big kinatay.
Okay, number 6. Number 5. Sige.
Do you have a family of pigeons? How long have you had them and how do you breed for raising and stuff? Look. Do you have a family of pigeons?
Only your own line?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's the bloodline of your bird? You think you're mentioning
Ako
you have your own line.
No. Unknown line.
Unknown line. Well, and
I think some of the birds of Sir Julius are owned by Sir Napi. So maybe we can set up a bloodline.
it's okay to have his own line.
Okay. So it's a freedom of
And how do you breed? Do you line breed or
unknown line.
inbreed?
Minsan mo siya. May ang close ni mo. Minsan mo ang kuan. Imo mo ang langgam. Sa mga ganyan. Originator. So where did you get the unknown line? By neighbor. Pero you're confident enough na they're pure breed pairs. They belong to the ACDC family.
What makes your look good? What makes your look good loves for you and your birds? What make your look
What do you like about your loft? It's small and the birds are easy to take care of.
Ang sa may mga gananin mo sa mundo, ang loaf is kontra na small but handling at the same time. Your model is standard. You have what you call this train what's gitong pasulod gani?
Trapdoor?
It's a top door. Nakay top door diri. Yeah. Here in the Philippines, sir, majority of their loaf is more on wood. It's because unlike if you go with a foreigner in the other Western country, they use with metal. So we are gifted with woods here. So we are capable of using woods. So your loaf is made of wood. your loop.
You use what you have.
Yeah. Loop made by wood.